And with a great tone off the driver there off that Class 165. What's up, everybody? Looster here. And today, you join me back on the Chiltern Mainline. Excuse me, once again. He's done it again. For another train spot. This will be the final station for today's big train spotting trip of my little big trip. The final station before I get back. When I mean that, when I get back home, you know. But anyways, today we are here at Kings Sutton. Yes, this station's owned by Chiltern Railways, but I honestly feel like Great Western Railway actually serve it more than Chiltern Railways does, for it being a Chiltern-owned station. But oh well. But anyways, today here at Kings Sutton, you will be seeing services by Great Western Railway, Chiltern Railways, and Cross Country. The train you'll have just seen depart was a Great Western Railway Class 165, which was formed the 1515 Great Western Railway service to Banbury, calling it Banbury only, from Didcot Parkway, which has brought me in from Oxford. This station has been on my to-do list since the start of the academic year, so September, and I've been wanting to do it for so long, and I wanted to do it on the same day as Banbury. Then it was not possible, so I have to do them both in separate days. But at least it's working out a lot now, so yeah, that's a sigh of a relief. But yes, can't wait for the action here. It's known to be a good train spotting station along the Chiltern Mainline. And let's see what other trains we shall see here at Kings Sutton on the Chiltern Mainline. I shall see us all when the next train comes here at a brilliant station for train spotting of Kings Sutton. Oh, I can't wait. Loads of action. Now passing through is going to be a cross-country Voyager for Manchester Piccadilly. It's going to Newcastle, apologies, and it's 2:20:19. Apologies for that. That service was actually going to Newcastle, not Manchester Piccadilly, and it was 2:20:19. This service will have originated from Banbury. But as that Voyager heads up north of the Chiltern Mainline now to its next stop at Banbury, though, I shall see you all when the next train comes here at Kings Sutton, in the middle of nowhere. Now passing through is going to be a Chiltern Railways Class 165. Thank you, driver. It is 165:019. 165:025 and 165:023. It was a triple 165. Holy moly! Just seen a triple 165 there. Not double, triple. And I also seen 165:019 at Oxford earlier as well. Or is it 015? I forgot. It was one of them two, but I'm getting mixed up now. But it was not in service. It was heading up to Banbury Depot on an ECS move, probably from London Marylebone or even Wembley Depot. Jesus Christ, triples! Yes, it triples. Right, we're not in English class. So we got a triple 165 there, heading off to the Banbury Depot. Jesus Christ, didn't see that one coming. But as that it's up north now, I shall see you all when the next train comes here at Kings Sutton. Now arriving in is going to be the 1539 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway from Banbury, with a Class 165 as always, and it will be the return of 165-106, I imagine. I can hear tones, he's on his way. This will be the 1539 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway from Banbury, which will arrive into platform 2 here at Kings Sutton. Here we go. 165-106 returns.
smoking area. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. Please extinguish your cigarettes immediately. Thank you.
Anyways, 165106 arrives into Kings Sutton now with the 1539 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway, and as this service arrives in now, I shall see us all when this goes. Now departing is going to be the 1539 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. 165106. Anyways, that Great Western Railway Class 165 departs Kings Sutton now with the 1539 Great Western Railway service to what's it called? Didcot Parkway from Banbury. And as that network heads off to its next stop of Hayford, I think it's called Hayford, can't remember for when I was on the train. Oh, there's something else coming, I think. Nah, I think it's just the Great Western Railway 165 train having a big hiss at the tracks. I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now passing through here in Tones. Primarily assuming going to be a Chiltern Railways Clubman Turbo Star for Marylebone. Yes, I'm right. We got a refurbished 168-0 leading. And 168324 at the rear. Oh, do I love the sounds of hearing either Clubman or Turbo Star trains passing through at speeds. Don't I just love hearing the sounds, don't you reckon? They actually sound so cool when they're passing through at speed. And yes, I'm filming this on the 18th of April, and I just seen on there the next Marylebone train's called at Wembley Stadium because of the Sidemen charity match. Because I'm filming this on the day of the Sidemen charity match. It's been a sport all day. I was down in Reading because Reading were playing, and then the Newbury racecourse, and then for the horse racing, and then we got the Sidemen charity match, extra capacity needed at Wembley Stadium. And then, talking of Wembley Stadium, the depot, you got something special coming through on ECS soon, which I see. Well, it won't be rare here, but I seen it at Didcot Parkway and it was dead rare seeing it there. But anyways, enough yapping from me. I shall see you all when the next train comes here at Kings Sutton on the Chiltern Mainline. Woohoo! Refurb 168. Now passing through is going to be another Cross Country Voyager heading to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. So we have Vector Bandy 221108 on its own. Head north at the Chiltern Mainline now with the 15 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth, and as that heads up to his next stop at Banbury. I shall catch us all when the next train comes here at Kings Sutton. Now passing through is another Chiltern Railways 168. 168326. 168 002's at the rear with the 1604 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. Yes, we've got an unrefurbed 168-0 at the rear and then a 168-3 at the front. The 168-3 is, funnily enough, a former Transpennine Express Class 170, funny enough. Chiltern are taking so much Transpennines trains. At this rate, they could even take the 185 when TPA retire them. But anyways, as those two Chiltern 168s head up north to its next stop at Banbury, heading up north of the Chiltern Mainline. I shall catch us all when the next train comes. Now passing through on platform 2 is another cross country Voyager. Is on that cross-country Voyager and down towards Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly, hence his next stop of Oxford. And as that heads down to the Chiltern Mainline towards the Cherwell Valley line, I shall see us all when the next train comes here at Kings Sutton. Now passing through. Chiltern Explorer in! Let's go! Anyways, that was 68027 with the Mark 5A carriages for Chiltern Railways. It did not come from London Marylebone or Wembley Stadium. Funnily enough, it's doing thingy-majiggy to back to Wembley Depot. Reverses at Banbury. This came from Eastleigh Depot. I'll get onto that in a minute because now arriving in, it's going to be the 1615. Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street with a refurbished Class 168 leading proceedings for a double unit. Actually 218, sorry. And the board says Chiltern Mainline, not even Chiltern Railways, honestly. And an unrefurbed unit at the rear. I think that was 168327. I'll have a look when this goes though. This will be our final train of today, and I will mention about the Explorer set that went past when I'm doing the outro as well. But I shall see us all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be the 1615 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. And as that Chiltern 168, Chiltern Railways doubled up Class 168 departs Kings Sutton, now heading south towards London. I shall conclude today's video here at Kings Sutton. If you've all enjoyed, please give us a like and subscribe as always, as it would help out for me in the channel. Now then, before I do outro messing and that, the Chiltern Explorer Class 68 Mark 5A for Chiltern Railways, that was formerly 1610. Chiltern Railway service from Eastleigh Depot back to Wembley sidings. It'll reverse at Banbury, so I'm going to see it again. I'm going to be seeing that unit again before my train comes. I will record it again for a short. Can't wait to see that coming through again. Yes, I seen that unit at Didcot Parkway earlier. If you watched the Didcot Parkway video, you will have seen that unit come through the junction. It was a very rare sight seeing it at Didcot Parkway, being honest. A very rare sight seeing it there. Don't tend to see Chiltern Railways at Didcot Parkway. Anyway, I don't know what that was doing at Eastleigh DMD. Probably repair fixing that stuff, but anyways, yeah. Enough of that now. I'll be seeing that again. But anyways, it's a great station, Kings Sutton. It's definitely worth train spotting here. Definitely worth filming here. If you're close to the Chiltern Mainline, come here. It's fantastic. But anyways, as for me here at Kings Sutton on the Chiltern Mainline, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace out, wherever it will be.